So after spending all morning long chasing a waterfall in the jungle, as you can see in the previous video here,
well, there is a waterfall, but how do I get up there?
I had a decision to make. Where do I go next? So now the choice is, I'm here at the waterfall. The choice is either to go around here and go to this pagoda, which is on top of the mountain. It will take me 21 kilometers or 35 minutes. Or go back and go to the beach, this beach here, and continue down south on the beach, which I think that's what I'll do, all the way to Dong Hoi eventually. Not today, but that's what I think.
When you say potholes, I guess that's what you mean. That's probably the worst road I've seen. And the best example and definition for potholes. Wow, look at that. And there we are arriving at another beach. And again, but it looks deserted, I guess, because it's not the season. So this is Swatan Beach. You can just get on the beach and ride all the way. Big empty beach. Probably in the season it's packed, but now it's just, if it weren't so dirty, it would have been beautiful. Golf resort here, so I cannot continue on the road close to the beach. Here, so I have to turn around. Well, not turn around actually, I just take a right and go around it. So apparently the golf resort took over the whole beach, and I cannot go through or around. I have to go back and continue like farther around, and let's see, a lot of private beaches. Big corporations buy it and take it away from the people. I don't know how, nobody stopped me. This is not operative, but it's a huge resort, or whatever it is. That is the beach. Let's see. Yep, so same beach. With those nice villas with a swimming pool, and they took the beach away.
So I actually went online and checked. The name of the project is Hoa Tien Paradise, and for measly 1.5 billion VND, or about $65,000, you can buy a villa here, complete with a dream to double your money in the future. After all, that's what it's all about. You hear me now, and you'll hear me even more later in this trip, in places where the destruction is much more visible already, complaining about all those resorts that pop up everywhere on the beaches of Vietnam, like mushrooms after the rain. Money-hungry developers pay big money to whomever to acquire building rights to beautiful beaches, build a huge real estate project for rich people on them, destroy nature in the process, and block the access to the beach for the rest of the population. This practice really bothers me because in the rate it's happening, in a decade or two there will be no untouched beaches left in Vietnam. And when we finally wake up, it's going to be too late to do anything about it.
Ciao. Okay. I have no idea what he wants from me, but I'm here just about around the Gulf, and I think I just go driving on the beach again, a bit over there. Yeah, this is amazing. I got a stretch of miles and miles of open. I don't know, I hope you can hear me. A stretch of miles and miles of open beach. Just drive and there's nobody here. Nobody, empty. Beautiful. Which I cannot cross, so I have to go back and try to find a way back to the road. Aya kote zangwaicho duong to down. I want to get out to the road. Where from? With the motorbike. How can I get out to the road? You think out to kote zangwaicho duong to that. Boy, voy ser mal.
Where are you from?
Israel.
Không biết.
Tôi can zangwaicho duong.
Cân nặng có luôn.
Tôi can zangwai. To that.
Follow him.
Yeah, I know, but I want to go over here.
Go out from here. We didn't know. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. So I guess that's the exit. I just saw a motorbike going there, and that's the exit to the road there. And so I turned around, got on the road, and kept on going south. The ocean on my left, until I eventually reached another beach. And yet another beach, near Swanhai, about 5 kilometers from the river that blocked me before. Got some really nice mountains here. Just driving through the village on the way to Ha Tinh to sleep there. I didn't get too far from Vinh today. It was still a pretty productive day. Let's see this church. Looks like a pretty big church here.
So remember the church we saw from the air? Well, I paid it a visit. It always seems a little bit out of place to see a church in a village in Vietnam, even after 5 years of living here. And that was it for the day, and I was heading for Ha Tinh to spend the night.
So they're trying to sort out the health declaration.
Oh, no, no, no.
What?
No. Oh, no, no, no.
What?
No. Oh, no, no, no.
What?
No.
That's actually quite a big city. Didn't expect it. Thought it would be a small village. But it's pretty big.
So I go out for a short walk around the city. Nothing too much to see except for the mall at Vincom Plaza. Yet it's really refreshing to finally walk around in a city without any air pollution. In the next video, day 6, I continue my motorbike ride down south, passing through yet more beautiful beaches of northern Vietnam. But the weather turns wet.
Very foggy and misty, and I get completely wet.
And that leads to an unexpected problem.
Look what happened to the phone.
How will I get out of this trouble? To answer those questions, keep following and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.